Welcome to this video on Neville Goddard's most powerful visualization technique to manifest anything you desire. This technique takes just 1 week or less to complete and is founded on the lessons of Neville Goddard, a renowned mystic writer from the previous century. In this video, I'll share with you this hidden technique that is simple and enjoyable and can help you easily create bigger goals in your life. But before we dive in, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon if you haven't already, so that you can view more videos on manifestation from this channel. Now let's get started. Neville Goddard's teachings have revolutionized and transformed the lives of millions of people. His suggested methods for manifesting desires through the power of thought have been tried and tested, and have proven to be effective in all aspects of life. The method I'm going to teach you in this video is one that most people don't know about. This technique is based on the law of assumption, which states that if you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. Everything that enters your mind as an idea or thought can be achieved by you, and if you can picture yourself having it, you will have it. To make optimistic assumptions about what you desire, you need to trust that your assumptions are true. Assumptions and imaginations are essential topics that are frequently addressed in the manifesting community. Our thoughts influence our behaviors, so if we make positive assumptions about our goals, we will take positive action and eventually actualize our desires. Now let's talk about the method. The first step of this technique is to identify your goal. To clarify your goal, ask yourself what it is and why you want it. Knowing the reason for your goal allows you to understand yourself better and make the best use of your imagination. You may have many goals, but you must choose the best one for you. You must understand the reason for each one of your goals to make a more informed decision. For example, assume you want to manifest money. Why do you want to bring money into your life? What do you intend to do with your money? What do you intend to purchase with the money you wish to manifest? This is how you get clear on your desire, which is important because it allows you to find more of it. The second step is to write down your goals as affirmations. Write your affirmations on a sheet of paper or tiny sticky notes. Act as if you have manifested your wish, that it has been done, and that you are now experiencing it. For example, if you want to manifest a particular quantity of money, assume that you have manifested money. Your affirmation should be something like, "I have manifested money," or "I have manifested $2,000 in my life." The goal of these affirmations is to keep reminding yourself that you have manifested, so that your mind can believe it. You can make these affirmations in your smartphone's background, stick these sticky notes to your bathroom mirror, or somewhere in your bedroom or workplace where you will see them most of the time. The primary idea is to convince your mind that you have manifested your dream, and this is the simplest and quickest way that takes almost no additional effort. The third step is to combine visualizations with affirmations. Visualize the scenario you've written over and over until your mind begins believing it. When you decide to envision your wish, make sure you are calm and alone with no distractions. Visualize for at least 10 minutes each time. Visualize yourself experiencing what you desire, feel the emotions, and internalize them. When you internalize these emotions, your desire will be externalized naturally. Now let's discuss how limiting beliefs can hold us back from manifesting our desires and provide some strategies for identifying and overcoming them. We'll also explore some common limiting beliefs that people have around money, relationships, and success. Limiting beliefs are beliefs that we hold about ourselves or the world around us that restrict us from achieving our full potential. They are often formed during our childhood and can be influenced by our family, friends, and society. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained in our minds and can be difficult to identify and overcome. One of the biggest ways in which limiting beliefs can hold us back is by impacting our ability to manifest our desires. When we hold beliefs that contradict our goals, it becomes harder for us to achieve them. For instance, if we believe that we're not good enough to have a successful relationship or to make a lot of money, we're less likely to take the necessary steps to achieve these things. The first step to overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. One way to do this is to pay attention to your inner dialogue. Notice the thoughts that come up when you think about your goals. Are they positive and encouraging or negative and self-defeating? Write down any negative beliefs that come up and examine them objectively. Ask yourself if these beliefs are really true and if they're serving you in any way. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, the next step is to challenge them. Ask yourself if there's any evidence to support these beliefs, or if they're based on assumptions or past experiences that may no longer be relevant. Try to reframe these beliefs in a more positive light. For example, if you believe that you're not good enough to make a lot of money, reframe that belief as, I have the skills and abilities necessary to achieve financial success. Another strategy for overcoming limiting beliefs is to surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out people who believe in you and your abilities and who can offer encouragement and support. Avoid negative or critical people who may reinforce your limiting beliefs. Certainly. Let's continue exploring additional techniques to enhance your manifestation practice and address any further questions you may have. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. Take a few moments each day to express gratitude for what you already have. This helps shift your focus from lack to abundance, creating a positive mindset that aligns with your goals. Act as if. Act as if your desire has already manifested. This technique involves embodying the feelings and behaviors of someone who has already achieved what you desire. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome, you create a vibrational match that attracts it into your reality. Letting go. Once you've set your intention and taken inspired action, it's important to release any attachment to the outcome. Holding on to desperation or a sense of lack can create resistance and block the manifestation process. Trust in the universe and detach from the specific how and when of your desire, allowing it to unfold in its own perfect timing. Visualization and imagination. Neville Goddard emphasized the power of visualization and imagination in manifesting desires. Spend time each day vividly imagining yourself already living your desired reality. Engage all your senses and evoke strong emotions associated with your manifestation. This practice strengthens your belief and accelerates the manifestation process. Affirmations and mantras. Repeat positive affirmations or mantras that affirm your desired reality. Affirmations are positive statements that reflect what you want to manifest, stated in the present tense. Repeat them with conviction and belief, allowing them to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desires. Inspired action. While manifestation involves harnessing the power of your thoughts and emotions, it's essential to take inspired action towards your goals. Pay attention to opportunities, signs, and synchronicities that guide you towards your desired outcome. Trust your intuition and take action aligned with your intentions. Patience and trust. Manifestation is a process that unfolds in divine timing. Practice patience and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Avoid doubting or second-guessing the process, as this can introduce resistance. Instead, maintain a positive and expectant mindset, knowing that your desires are on their way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.